So, word on the street is that you want to learn how to edit amazing Instagram Reels. Well, I got you! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I edit my Instagram Reels specifically using the free app CapCut. Hello friends, it's Laressa. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is a place on the internet where I help fellow real estate agents level up their real estate game with Canva and the Wolfpack here at eXp Realty. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this reel right over here. This is the Hoodoos in Drumheller, Alberta. This is one of the tourist spots, one of the very famous, I guess you could say, landmarks that people visit when they come to Drumheller. I'm gonna show you how to edit this, so let's go. Alright, so before I create any sort of reel, I like to do a little bit of research first, and that is going onto Instagram and going to the Reels section. But most importantly, what you want to make sure is that you set a timer, because you can easily fall into the rabbit hole of just going on the Reels forever and ever and ever, right? So if you see here, if you see the up arrow, that means that song is trending. And if it's something that I like, I would usually just save the sound. So I go hit the bottom right little icon, and then you can see all the other type of Reels, and then you can save it if you want to. And that just makes it easier to find. You can also send it to yourself, I think. I think you can send Reels to yourself. Yeah, I have another account, so I send it to my other account. Alright, so when you are ready to create a reel, what I first like to do is to screen record the song that I want to use. And you will understand why I do this, okay? So first, let's go into the audio and go into your saved section. And then we're just going to screen record any song that you like. I was using this song in particular right here. And you just screen record the length of the song that you want to use. I've already recorded this bit right here, so I'm going to just press done. But now that you have saved or screen recorded the song that you want to use, it's going to save into your gallery. And I'm sorry if you're an Android user or a Samsung user, I don't know how to help you. But for my iPhone users, just do what I just did. And then you want to go into the CapCut application, open that up, and we are going to go into a new project, and then I'm just going to find where I saved the specific clips that I want to use. So now that you have it shows you all the gallery here, right? It shows you all of that. So now you just want to click the icons or click the clips that you want to use. So I'm going to use this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and I'm going to hit add. And as you can see, if you scrub through the timeline, all your clips are there, which I really like to see all my clips on the timeline, so it makes it much easier to move things around, cut things, crop things. It's just a lot more intuitive for me because I usually edit on a desktop using Adobe Premiere Pro. So underneath the timeline of your clips, you'll see add audio. So you just want to click that. And then you want to click the extracted. So remember how we screen recorded the music before? Okay, we're going to click that screen recording and say import sound only. And then I'm just going to just drag this. And the reason why I am extracting the sound is because I want to match my clips to the beat of the song. And once I have everything in the way I want it, that's when I will put the music from Instagram over top, so that way I am using the music from the platform, and that way you can be ranking if that song is trending. You get what I mean? So this is my strategy, this is what I do. So I'm just going to show you what I do. So in order to crop your clips, you can drag them from the end, or because this one's such like that. For this one, because it's such a long clip, what you can do is click that clip, and then you want to hit split, and there. And then to delete that clip, you just highlight the other section, and you just hit delete, and that thing is gone. And there I am. And I'm just doing this roughly because I've already created this reel. But like I said, you just want to go in and crop your clips to where they want to be. You can also remove this last section, the CapCut little logo. You can delete that. And then I'm just going to click on the audio. I'm going to split that. I'm just going to delete that segment there. But there you go. There you have the clips all together. Now, if you look in between each clip, you'll see this white square with the black line, and this is where you can add in the transition. So just click on that and you have a whole bunch of transitions to work with. I usually like to just keep it very simple, very basic, so I hit the camera section and I like the pull in or the pull out. Whatever you want to do. You can also adjust the speed of that transition, and you can hit apply all in the lower left corner, or just for that specific clip. And so you can do that. So if you play it back, it looks like that. And then the next one, let's see we got something fun. Effects, burn, there's that one. Let's see, that one's cool. I'm just going to use that. I think I used a different effect. It was like the sun glaring. And you can use anything you like in between and just hit the check. And again, you can also adjust each clip and then go ahead and add a transition in between every clip. I don't usually do that, only just a few, just to make it look fancy. But that's basically how I edit my reel. What's also nice about this is you can also change the speed, and there's a bunch of presets you can use as well. If you go to the curve, there's a bunch that you can use here, or if you just want to slow down a clip completely, just hit the normal and then you can slow it down that way. Or first you have to apply it first, and you can speed up the clip if you want to. And you can also do the undo button here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like, it's somewhere up here. There, undo. So once and again, there's so much you can play with. You can add text over top. Again, you can also add filters as well. And it's just a very, very well-rounded app for video editing, especially for Reels. I use this very, very heavily. But once you have everything edited to your liking, your pleasing, you can just hit the download button, which is in the top right, and you can download that and it will export it directly to your phone. Alright, so once you have the video exported to your gallery, what we're going to do is go back into the Instagram Reels app, and in the lower left corner you'll see your gallery, and we want to click on the video we just exported from CapCut. Go into preview, it looks good, and this is where we're going to add in the music over top. So we're going to add in the music of our choosing that we previously screen recorded the music, add that over top, and it should be synced in order because we didn't change anything. But then at this point I would just bring down the audio of the video that was exported, so then again we can use the music that is on Instagram. And so just press done, next. You can add in your cover photo, add in your captions, your tags, your locations, and that's pretty much it. Just hit share and you're ready to go. Well, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other Instagram reel related videos right over here. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye, friends.